Good morning.
So today's topic we have is all about the grinder. It's an electronic grinder. It's from Baraja brand or a company. The model number is Forte. It's a Forte AP grinder, and this grinder is very highly durability. It maintains its consistency in grinding the grounded coffee beans. And the special thing is it has a flat bar. Flat bar is mostly used in very busy coffee shops to maintain the grinding consistency, And I want to show you something here. So this grinder, it's difficult to open, so I didn't open. This grinder looks like this, yeah. See, you can see it here. It is all digital system grinder. So it means you can grind setting of the time, like 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, how many grams you want in your portafilter. You can just set 5 seconds, gives automatically 18 grams or 19 grams, and it's very reliable and very comfortable. And the main easy thing about this grinder is this grinder can be used for espresso, and it can be grind for filter also. So this is a multi-purpose grinder, and this grinder has some kind of setting inside. I will show you to make it more clear, So this is a grinder. It has two sides. Okay, so one side you can use it for filter coffee grind setting, like medium coarse, and another side has a very macro grind. So this is micro setting, macro setting. It has up to 32 clicks. So by changing this, you can easily go more fine that we are using it for espresso, And so this is a digital system. You can wait time, you can wait the dose, you can set three numbers, like number 1 18 gram, number 2 20 gram, number 3 17 gram, So this is
It's easy to make.
yeah, and it has a handle also, like portafilter handle. So there is very less chance the portafilter will fall down, or you need to just hold by your hand, So it's quite expensive, but it's very good for especially for home use, and also it's good for the cafes also, Yeah. And the bar is like this. The flat bar are like, it comes in this way. It's very sharp and very consistency grinder it has. So this is all about the grinder, guys.
I have a question.
Yeah, please ask.
How many kilograms do you put for the coffee beans?
Normally it comes with 500 grams. 500 grams to 1 kg, because the hooper is not too much big. It's like not more than 1 kg. Let's say not more than 1 kg.
But if you want to grind both like filtered coffee and espresso,
Yeah.
you have first to remove one type of coffee, you put the other.
Yeah, of course, because filter coffee has different roasting profile, and espresso has different roasting profile. So if you want to use for espresso, you will have a different grind setting also. So for the filter coffee, it is more better. You just clean it, your hooper, your bars. You can just open with the screw, clean it, and then refill filter coffee, or else espresso coffee. And there is another way to clean. Just use a little bit filter coffee, just grind some dose, and then continue your preferable beans, So this is how we work in this grinder, and this grinder is 3,250 real in flat white. Yeah,
Very expensive.
that's all about it
Praveen,
today.
so
Yeah.
what kind of setting are you changing for espresso and filter?
So, like I told earlier, for a filter, there is two different sizes. One side has a micro setting, another side has macro setting. Macro means very small, very fine. So by going very fine, you can get your desired espresso cup. By using micro setting, you can go coarse for the filter, so you can get your desired cup. So this is how we play. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, good.
So the one we are using for grinder is not for both. not for
No,
filter.
the one we have here in our brewing station, it is specifically made for the filter purpose.
Filter purpose.
Very strong, one of the best grinder. This is Marconi grinder, you know. So, and for espresso we have a Major Cold that is specifically designed for espresso and very strong, high quality grinder. So these are differences, but this grinder is for both purposes, you know. It's good for, especially good for home purpose and good for cafe, you know, it's like that. Hello guys, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for the information.
Why is he airdrop, yeah?
Hmm.